Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how you can use the Plesk Firewall extension to block an entire country from accessing your website. Okay, so first we need to install this extension. So let's go to Extensions, and here we need this extension. This one is free, so let's just click Get It Free. And Plesk will quickly install the extension. Okay, we can open the extension from here, or we can go to Tools and Settings, and from Security, Firewall. Okay, so by default this is disabled, so we need to enable it. Let's click Apply. So by default, the extension adds a lot of firewall rules. We can import new ones, or we can add our own. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Let's click this plus icon, and let's say I want to block access to my website from, I don't know, Australia. So we need to add a name to the rule. It can be anything. We need to select a direction. So we want to block all incoming requests. So we'll leave it on incoming. We need to select the action. We want to deny it. So we want to deny all incoming requests from this location. We don't have to add anything in the port section, but if you want to block an entire country, you need to add it here. You need to add these ISO 3166 country code into this field. If you want to add more than one countries, then you need to click here, here, and you can add as many countries to block as you want. Right now, let's just say I want to block Australia. Its code is AU. Okay, this is all we need to do here. Click Save. And then we need to apply the changes. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we can check it. So I'm not from Australia, so I should be able to access my website. Yes, it's working fine for me. Let me just fire up NordVPN. It's a VPN client that we can use to check websites from different locations. So let me just select a VPN server in Australia. Okay, so I'm connecting now. And now we are browsing the internet from Australia. By the way, if you are interested in NordVPN, I have a video about it. Just click here to check it. I will also leave a link to that video in the description. Okay, so let's go back to our browser and let's refresh the page. And if everything is correct, I should not be able to access this website. So let's click refresh. And it seems I am not able to access this website. And yes, the website won't load for me. And it seems that our firewall rule is working because I'm trying to access this website from Australia. It's not working for me. Okay, so this is how easy you can block a country. And if you have any questions about the video, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.